Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. Agra postpones modifying prices of petroleum products. The Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority has postponed the announcement of new prices of petroleum products on May 16. Woman tortured to death after being raped by friend's husband in Jhang. In a terrifying incident in Punjab's Jhang, a 22-year-old woman was allegedly tortured to death after being raped by her friend's husband in Garh Maharaja town. Biden urged calm in first call with Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas. US President Joe Biden urged calm between Israel and Gaza and affirmed his support for a two-state solution in his first phone call with Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas since taking office, the official Palestinian news agency said. Israeli airstrike in Gaza destroys building with international media houses. Israel's army destroyed in an airstrike the 13th-floor building housing Qatar-based Al Jazeera Television and American news agency the Associated Press in the Gaza Strip. Emergency declared in Karachi coastal belts as powerful cyclone Tauktae approaches. The Sindh government declared a cyclone emergency in various districts lying on the coastal belt of the province in wake of cyclone Tauktae. Pakistan reports less than 2,000 COVID-19 cases, 83 deaths in a day. In a sharp decline, Pakistan reported less than 2,000 COVID-19 cases and 83 deaths during the past 24 hours. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.